Hello and welcome back to Lavish Beads and Accessories. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful square beaded key holder. It's simple, elegant and perfect for gifting or personal use. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in beading, this step-by-step guide will help you create something truly unique. So, grab your beads, your thread, and let's get started. You will need your sugar beads and your fish line 0.6 millimeters, your scissors and keychain. Insert 3 beads through the fish line and cross with 1 bead. Place 1 bead through the left string and 1 on the right string and cross with 1. Place 2 beads in the right string and cross with the 3rd bead. Now we have our string at the top and about to start our second line. Place 2 beads in the right string and cross with the 3rd bead. Now place the string through the next bead and add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. Add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. Always remember to pass the string through the next bead before adding your beads to it. Now add 2 beads to the left string and cross with the 2nd bead. To secure your beads, pass the string through the beads to make it form, that way it can last long. This is how the base of your square key holder should look like. We will be joining the two sides together, forming our square keychain. Start by cutting some string and put the one end of it through the bead. Insert one bead through the string and pass the string into the next bead base. Make sure both strings are equal. From here on, we will be crossing with only one bead till we close up the keychain. Always remember to pass the string through the next bead before beading. Place your keychain through the string and pass the string through the next bead and cross with one bead. And there you have it. This is how to make your keychain or key holder. Now pass your string through the beads to secure them. And there you have it, your own handmade square beaded key holder. I hope you enjoyed creating this design as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Lavish Beads and Accessories for more creative beading tutorials like this one. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more key holder styles. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and keep creating beautiful things. See you in the next video.